Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and I make videos about Japan. As you can see, we have cup noodle soda today. Nissin has come up with this crazy idea of making cup noodle soda to celebrate their 50th anniversary. Not gonna lie, it was pretty hard to get hold of this set. The set also includes eight Umaibo. And it is also the first time for Umaibo to feature cup noodle flavors. Umaibo means delicious stick. They are very tasty and cheap. One of these only costs 10 yen. It smells like ginger. Since this is the original cup noodle taste, I'm expecting a salty broth. Oh, that is weird. That ginger is ginger ale. It doesn't taste like soup. It just tastes like a very off ginger ale. It's got a slight cardboardy taste in it. I don't know what it is. It says it has soy sauce in it. Not tasting that at all. There's raw ginger juice, a load of sugar and sugar again. So yeah, this is basically ginger ale plus soy sauce, but I can't taste the soy sauce. Very interesting, but let's put that away and try the next one. Next up is the curry. Oh, it smells so strong. I can smell it. So the moment I open this, the entire room smells like curry. It's really, really intense. And I'm hoping that it could taste a bit more than just sweet. It's weird. I can smell like celery in this. Oh no. It's so weird. It's another weird one. There's an aftertaste. You can smell the curry, but you can't taste it. A lot of vegetables. It is just sweet. Not as sweet as the first one. Sugar, spices, caramel coloring, and more spices. The color looks like cola, but it doesn't taste like Coke at all. It's just so weird. Oh, went up my nose. Okay, the first one was slightly better. This one's just really confusing. I don't know what I'm tasting. You can smell curry. You can taste a lot of vegetables in it, and it's slightly sweet. Next up is the chili tomato. This actually smells really nice. This one would be quite enjoyable. It smells really nice. I normally like tomato juice, and this smells very intensely of tomatoes. And it looks like juice, fizzy juice. It tastes like Fanta. Seriously, it's like Fanta with a hint of tomato and oh, the chili is coming. Very slight heat at the end. I'd say this is the most enjoyable. It tastes like Fanta plus some carrots and some tomatoes. But it smells really nice, like the kagome tomato juice with some Tabasco in it. Okay, this is the final soda and I'm really scared to try the seafood one. Okay, here goes. Ooh, it's like clam chowder. And I don't like the smell of this one. It's very creamy. It smells exactly like cream of seafood kind of soup. So you can imagine like Campbell's, but they've put a lot of seafood into it. The color is blue. It's slightly bluish, so it reminds me of Harpist. Ugh. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do this. Let's put this here first. Ooh. Okay, I don't oh, I think it's just me because I really don't like milk, and this tastes like milk times 100. As in, I like cheese, I like cream, but I just can't take milk, and this smells so strong of milk. I know they're trying to do the cream, but okay, that's the first thing I notice. And let's take another sip. Okay, I just let it sort of swoosh around in my mouth, and there's definitely seafood. I can taste clams, mussels, prawn, shrimp, not fish. This is the taste of the sea with a lot of milk. So sugar, wait, did it actually taste sweet? I don't even know. Oh. It's borderline sweet. My taste buds are so confused now. I can't even taste if it's sweet, but it says it's loaded with sugar, so yes, it's sweet, very slightly sweet. And there's powdered milk, a lot of flavoring, stabilizers, and seafood flavoring, of course. This is the worst one out of the four. Like, it really depends. If you really like milk and seafood chowder, you still probably won't do too well with this one. It's just too weird to have as a drink. So you can imagine, yeah, you have leftover seafood chowder, it's cold, and then for some reason the cream and the liquid has separated, and that's the liquid part. That's what it tastes like. But it is interesting, it's really fun. So I'm gonna put that down. If you are in Japan and you can get hold of these, definitely give them a try. They are extremely fun, but like enjoyment wise, this would be the enjoyable one. Everything else is just a fun experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I certainly did enjoy making this. It is really fun and everything was really tasty. The drinks were weird, but very interesting experience. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you dare to try. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!